Today, we're bringing Louisiana into our kitchen with a classic seafood boil.
Veggies, sausage, and shellfish cooked to perfection in this delicious broth.
Oh, this is a true celebration of down-home yumminess.
Made even better with some seasoned melted butter.
Oh, folks, just wait till you plunge into this feast.
Oh, that is correct.
This is so much fun. This is one of the, I don't know, I can't believe it's taken us this long to do it. And we're using our trusty, our turkey fryer.
We finally found something else to do with it.
Yeah, this is perfect for that, and it's made to do this as well. If you don't have one of these, get one because it's fun. It's fun to fry a turkey.
Yeah, inside.
And inside, you can fry the turkey inside. But if you don't have one of these, you can get a big old stock pot in a basket, and it works brilliantly.
Do you have a link to this in our?
I do have a link to this, and so all right. So let's get started.
Right,
we have about 2.5 gallons of water in here, and we don't have the heat on yet.
No, because we want to bring it all to a boil, and I want to throw in some good stuff. So I've got some citrus here. I've got 4 lemons, and I've got 2 oranges, and they're halved, and I just want to squeeze them in here, and then throw it in. Oops.
Okay.
There you go. All right.
And then you're gonna. And
I'm gonna do this while you talk about.
Oh, okay, all right. So let's talk about seasoning. So we went. We're gonna trust our friends with Zatarain's, which is just a what they call it, a New Orleans classic. It's Louisiana.
It's good.
It has all of the classic seasonings already built in, and we are gonna do the trifecta of flavors. So this is one of the coolest inventions right here. This is what's called a boil in a bag, and you'll see it's got all of the flavors right here. And we're gonna do 2 of these. These are 3-ounce bags. And these bags, they don't fall apart in the water, but they're perforated. It's probably kind of hard to see.
So
but all of those seasonings
yeah.
in there, and there's a plethora of seasonings in there that are just going to release make the water just that really deeply flavorful flavor.
Flavorful broth.
Flavorful broth.
Real quick. Okay, I'm done with my citrus. Now I've got some savory. I've got 2 cloves of garlic that we cut in half. 2 like nestled, or like the whole garlic head there. There we go. And then I've got some onions. I've got 2 quartered onions. Just throw those into the party.
Onions that he quartered. Yeah. And you don't even need to peel the garlic. So now, like I said, we are doing the trifecta. We're not messing around. We are going to make sure this is flavored and flavored perfectly. This is called Pro Boil, you guys. This is like the real deal. It's kind of similar to like Old Bay and cayenne, and there's plenty of sodium in there, but it's just more flavor. And this is a 1 3/4 cups that I'm going to add in here.
Awesome.
Now, if all of this stuff I was able to order online, and it got here like the next day, or even some of them the same day. It's really easy to order online, and it's not expensive.
Sorry, the smell right now. And real quick, I'm going to put in my 2 lagers. Since we're in Texas, I'm using some Shiner Bock.
That's right.
2 beers here.
A couple of beers. If you don't want to cook with beer, then don't. Just leave that out. But it adds a nice flavor.
It is fun,
Okay,
too.
for the final, now this stuff is the real deal. This is a concentrate. It's basically all of these flavors for a shrimp and crab boil. And it's a liquid that is, it's so potent that you don't even want to like sniff it, because you'll be like, oh, it'll clear your sinuses. But a little goes a long way. So I have got a 1/4 cup of this, and these 3 items are going to give us just that classic.
I got it, Chris. I got myself stirring up right here.
Okay, that's going to give us that classic Louisiana boil that is just so fantastic.
Wow.
It's really loaded with flavor. It's a little different than what the Low Country seafood boil, which I believe is more like Georgia and the Carolinas. We're going more Louisiana style, which is just chock full of flavor. And of course, let's just say this now: we are not Cajun. We're not from Louisiana.
Although we live next to a bunch of them.
We live next to them, and we live right. Our state is right next to them, so I feel like we're honorary Louisiana folk. But if we're doing anything wrong, just be nice. Be nice.
Or tell us what you like and what you
don't
like.
Tell us what we're doing right. Tell us what we're doing wrong. Anyway,
don't tell us what we're doing wrong.
Yeah. Well,
so you might want to try this.
Okay, so I've turned this all the way to the highest it'll go to 375. If it'll go to 400, that's great. concentrate. Close this lid. We're going to bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to want all of those seasonings in there to bloom, and that's going to go for about 5 minutes. Then we start building this amazing seafood boil.
I cannot wait. I cannot wait.
It's smelling like a seafood boil.
It's crazy how good it smells.
I know, it's great. It's this takes a little while for this to come to boil. It probably took about 20 minutes, and so now it's boiling lovely.
And then we put it...
So once it comes to a boil, you really want those spices to bloom, and so we let them. I stirred it, and then I closed it and gave it another 5 minutes of just boiling.
And I've got the basket right here.
He's got his basket, and so now we've got, this is 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes. Potatoes are very traditional, and they just cook perfectly. They take the longest to cook, so we're gonna let these go into the steam.
Just lower them down.
Lower them on down in.
Yes.
And there they go. And they're gonna soak up all that good flavor, and that's gonna go for about 15 minutes, and then we just keep adding things to the party. Okay, moving right along.
Keeps getting better and better.
We are getting down to the nitty gritty now. Now look at that. Now be careful.
I'm trying to blow the steam so people can see it.
Yeah.
Wow.
That is smelling great.
All right,
okay, so now we're gonna
out of here.
This is when these additions are some of my favorites. So this is andouille sausage that I've cut into just kind of like bite-sized pieces.
Nice.
If you can't, that's 1.5 pounds, which is like 2 of the links that you can get from the grocery store. If you can't find andouille sausage, any kind of smoked sausage will work. Like even like kielbasa, or those will all work just great. That is a heaping helping of corn.
Yeah.
That's 6 ears of fresh corn that I shucked, and then I cut into like little bite-sized, just little niblets, if you will.
I feel bad. You guys can't see from above.
I know,
it's all steamed up.
It's all steamed. Well,
you got this side here. Okay, there you go.
Yeah. Okay, so now like I said, we're starting to accelerate the time frame.
Yeah.
So this only goes for about 5 minutes, and then we add the shellfish, and we're then so close.
All right, there we go.
Yum. Okay, we are getting so close.
Okay, here comes the steam escape again.
The steam bath. Okay.
Oh, there, you can see it a little better now. That's better.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's looking really, really good. Okay, bring her up.
Bring her up.
We've got just one more step to do. One more.
It's getting heavier.
I know, that's the issue. You gotta have a little muscle. Okay, so now this is 2 pounds of shrimp, and I've left the tails and the shells on. There's just a lot of flavor in there.
Yes.
It's just, that's the traditional way, and then you can peel them.
You have to peel them, yes.
Once you serve them. But that's 2 pounds, and they're already cleaned, so that's nice. And you get that from your supermarket, really. Here are some snow crab legs.
Yay!
Get those, and they're already steamed, so they're really already cooked.
Right.
All we're doing is we're reheating them. This does not take long at all. Now, obviously, so very down Louisiana way, crawfish is a super popular ingredient of fish to include, shellfish to include. That's great. We love that. But we also love crabs too. So this is only going to take literally, we just want that the shrimp to turn pink, which is literally 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to turn that off, and then because if you cook it too long, that shrimp gets rubbery. Okay, so now this has been just about 3 minutes. Let's take a look at these little shrimpies. Look.
Oh,
look
yeah,
beautiful.
perfect.
They're just perfectly cooked. They're that gorgeous pink color.
That's awesome.
So now what we're going to do, this is a super important step. You don't want to skip this. There is so much flavor in that water, and we're going to go ahead and close that. Okay. And you just want especially for the shrimp and the crab legs to absorb those flavorings. It just takes a little time. If you kept that boiling, like I said, they get rubbery. So let them sit in there. They're going to stay nice and warm for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's make this butter.
It's butter, y'all.
It's butter. I tell you, it's like butter. So, and we're not messing around with the butter. I have got 4 sticks of butter.
4 sticks. That's crazy.
But this serves a crowd or Wesleyan.
Yeah.
So okay, so I've got the butter here. This is unsalted butter, and to that I'm going to add. This is 6 cloves of garlic that I minced, and this is so easy. And you can do this in advance and just reheat the butter and just stir that to get that garlic kind of sautéed flavoring. And then this is a tablespoon of the Pro Boil, what we had before, which I told you is similar to Old Bay, but it also has salt in it. So if you notice, we didn't add any salt in it just because there's plenty of salt in that Pro Boil. If I've got the ingredients for you, if you don't have access to Pro Boil and these other ingredients, that was a teaspoon of lemon juice, and then we've got like a tablespoon of chopped parsley. And this is just, I mean, look at that. That is just heavenly.
You need butter.
And so what we're going to do is you got to have butter. It's just like lobster. You just got to do it. So now that's good. So what we'll do is we'll serve that. We'll drizzle it over it. And then everyone will have their own little
dunking
bowl for plunging. And then we're going to be as happy as we possibly can be.
Yes.
The time has come.
Y'all.
This is so much. I mean, the only thing that's missing are you guys.
Look at that.
This is a party. I mean, you need to have the whole family over, your friends.
Look at this, guys.
Look at that. That shrimp.
Lord.
It's so beautiful. Oh, and you see, I know it's a heavy.
Oh, okay, come on. Oh, I got it. Okay, there you go.
So look, you can see the seasoning on the corn and all.
Oh,
okay.
y'all.
So it's it's a perfect day. It's 115 degrees outside. So we're gonna go outside and eat this outside.
Yes, we'll see you out there.
And here we go.
Oh, you guys.
All right.
Watch those potatoes.
I know, potatoes like to roll.
Okay, Chris.
We got our paper down. This is meant to just be a free-for-all.
It is. Ooh, there we go.
Utensils are not required.
There we go. Oh, look at that. I'm going to spread all this love of the potato.
Here
comes the potatoes.
Potatoes like to roll.
There we go. Look at that, you guys.
Doesn't that look so much fun? Oh, my God.
Wow.
That's a party.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I mean, look at those shrimp legs.
Oh, I gotta get these off. Hold on.
So now I'm gonna hit this with just a little more of the seasoning.
Yes.
It's not gonna need much more because it's got a lot of seasoning that's been soaking up. But maybe another, I don't know, maybe another tablespoon of this. And then we're gonna do a generous drizzling of this butter that we made. Because
you guys,
I know, isn't this fun?
You're gonna have to give me some room.
I know, I gotta back up. Okay, so I'm gonna just get this all over, because there is so much flavor in this butter.
Yeah, did Chris mention it's 115 degrees outside?
Yeah, we decided to do this in the middle of the summer,
Look at
Texas
that.
summer heat.
All right, hand me some butter.
Okay.
Oh, that's right, you gotta do your
Let
thing.
me just toss it a little bit. Although
I don't think you need to toss it there. Yeah, don't toss it.
I don't want to, right, we don't want to risk losing anything. All right, you need some butter for a dipping sauce. Wesley insisted that we not have utensils, so.
Because it's a classic
Everything
seafood
is cooked,
boil.
everything is cooked.
Did you put a little of that seasoning on?
Yeah, I did, I'll put a little.
Oh, yes. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna add some of this. Add some
A little fresh lemon juice.
lemon everywhere. There you go. Y'all, I wish you were here.
I know,
wish we were share. We've got plenty to share.
Well, I was going to say, this is barely enough for the two of us, but,
Okay.
you know.
You know what I'm gonna do first?
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go straight for a crab leg.
I think you should. I think you should. I will do
Time to get and we've got plenty of napkins. And,
Yes.
Oh, you guys.
Oh, the shrimp is just tender. It's not too. See, I like to be able to do multiple things. I think I'm going to do a potato and a shrimp. And he goes, no, I'm going to do a sausage.
Hold on, I gotta see if I got some meat coming out of here. Ready? Oh, no, I gotta come in.
Okay, I'm gonna dunk my butter.
Don't, make sure everybody can see it. Get that butter out of the way.
Oh.
You guys. There we go.
Look at that,
There
look
you
at
go.
that.
That's a mother loaf right there.
That's
Okay.
a mother loaf. Oh, that is
okay.
good stuff. I want some of that next.
Just dip it in there. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Unbelievable. I'm gonna like put this almost on like a blanket.
We were like searching for our bibs. Oh my goodness.
All right, hold. I gotta have some of this.
You know what I love
I gotta
about
have
this?
a potato.
There is definitely some spice to it, but it's not like burn your mouth spicy. It is just so.
Oh my God.
Try that. You gotta try that shrimp. I'm gonna try some corn.
Potato.
And the potato.
So you peel your shrimp while you're here.
Oh my gosh.
Just set it off to the side. Dunk it.
The corn. The corn.
I'll eat that shrimp.
I know. You know, I was gonna say we feel bad because there's so much more food, but I have a feeling between the two of us, we're gonna eat a good
Yeah,
pile
we'll
of it.
come back later tonight.
All right, you guys. This is a party that is so much
Yeah,
fun. You
and-
invite your friends and family over. And
I have something to say.
say it.
This is 1,000,000,000% lunar-proof.
I just almost jumped right over that.
I know.
That's so important.
I'm just like, I'm not gonna
mesmerized.
move for a couple
I know,
hours.
I know.
I don't even feel the heat.
I know. I feel the heat from this beautiful, beautiful mountain of food. All right, you guys, make a seafood boil. It's so much fun. Even if you don't have a turkey fryer, do it in a pot. It's so much fun.
Oh, the sausage. Oh.
Everything. It's just incredible. All right, you guys, we love you. Bye, everybody.
Bye.